At Cancun Hair Restoration, we understand how frustrating hair loss or a receding hairline can be. That's why we offer the FUE hair transplant, a modern, minimally invasive technique that provides natural-looking results and helps you regain confidence and a fuller appearance. Our procedure involves carefully extracting individual hair follicles from a donor area, usually at the back of the scalp, and transplanting them into thinning or balding areas. Each follicle is implanted with precision to match the natural angle and direction of hair growth, ensuring uniform, discreet results without visible scars. Choosing our FUE hair transplant offers many benefits: minimally invasive and virtually painless procedure, natural and long-lasting results, with hair that grows continuously, quick recovery, allowing you to return to daily activities within a few days, high success rate thanks to experienced surgeons and advanced techniques, personalized treatment tailored to your hair type, density goals, and hairline design. Ideal for restoring receding hairlines, frontal areas, or small thinning patches. Recovery is smooth. Most patients notice initial growth in a few months, with full density achieved within 6 to 12 months. At Cancun Hair Restoration, every procedure is performed with care, safety, and personalized attention. Schedule your appointment today and take the first step toward a fuller, natural-looking head of hair. Learn more by visiting our complete guide,